Welcome back to Worker TV channel. Today we are entering the incredible world of construction. From balancing on towering steel beams to crafting intricate designs with precision, these skilled workers demonstrate superhuman abilities every day. Follow along as we explore the fascinating stories and incredible skills of the construction industry's best. First, to make it easier to work on his ceiling, he attached 2 slippers to 2 paint buckets as a means of transportation. This craftsman beautifully crafted a set of tables and chairs from car tire. Next, by adding a giant brush, the worker controlled the excavator to quickly clean the car body. Not only that, pouring the floor with metal plastic will help you create unique patterns for your floor. In addition, these insulation and fireproofing layers are very suitable for wooden houses. The intricate patterns left behind when this craftsman applied plaster showed that he was an excellent craftsman. To improve safety and prevent slipping, workers simply added 2 lines to the stairs. With just a wooden port from before, this craftsman skillfully drew a parking symbol quickly and accurately. Over the years, your dryer duct will accumulate a lot of lint and dirt. If you want to clean it, follow this craftsman's method. What do you think about this approach? In this 260-year-old house, the mountain slope needs attention. The workers screwed it in to make sure it was as sturdy as possible. Is this a good idea? In addition, this guy not only has the strength but also the dexterity to be able to transport 6 bags of these material. Water jets can cut both iron and stone, and cleaning moss and mold on the wall is too easy. Furthermore, thanks to the skillful coordination between the fork and the excavator's bucket, the worker quickly dismantled the temporary pipe. The girl is using just a little mortar to close the small holes, ensuring the stability and aesthetics of the surface. This worker skillfully lined the wall with a layer of mesh before applying mortar and smoothing the wall's surface. This technique ensures a solid connection between the mortar and the wall, preventing future cracks. Paint is a difficult substance to erase, so this guy doesn't have a second chance to make a mistake. But he completed an icon on the road perfectly. This guy cleverly used a bucket and a head attached to a vacuum cleaner to collect all the dust during the concrete mixing process. You can also learn from him. To install the ventilation hole, this skilled craftsman had to cut a hole in the roof. It is important now to seal around the ventilation hole to ensure water cannot penetrate. With just a piece of cardboard and some tape, this worker determined exactly where the floor brush needed to be cut. With this accessory, pouring concrete becomes extremely easy for construction workers. Instead of climbing the high wall with a ladder, this worker decided to throw mortar on the surface. What is surprising is that this unusual method is extremely effective. The inside corners of plasterboards are a real challenge for many construction workers, but this guy found a solution using the three-way the world tool. Let's see how he does it. In this video, we will show you how to effectively use heat to activate the glue on a waterproofing membrane. By heating the glue, you will ensure that it covers every gap and completely seals it, preventing water from seeping through.